Welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today and we are going to talk about guys Poco phone mobile hotspot, how to turn on and how can we use. Friends, you don't know how to on hotspot in Poco phone and how to use hotspot setting. Today guys I am going to show you guys. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to on mobile hotspot and how to use. I will show you guys. Then I scroll it. Friends, you can see a portable hotspot setting guys. Tap here. As you can see, portable also means mobile hotspot guys, you can on from here. After on guys, you can see guys your setup portable hotspot setting guys. You want to check your device name, you want to change, so you can change from here guys. If you want, you can change from here guys. And as you can see your password, you want to change any password, you want to add something else in your password, you can add from here. Hence you can see one time data limit setting. Hence you can on and off from here. You can set your data limit setting 100 MB, 200, 150 like that you can set according to yourself. And as you can see your share QR code. So when you want to share your hotspot, you can share from here guys. So like that guys, you can turn on your mobile hotspot in your Poco phone and you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.